Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
So lifers, we finna do something a little different today. I know a few of y'all that follow me here and there have seen me playing with bird feeders here lately. I'm an old man. I like putting up bird feeders. I like watching birds and squirrels and everything have them. Oh yeah, how y'all like this new angle? Oh yeah. I got a new tripod. One I've been wanting ever since I started doing YouTube. Too cheap to buy. I finally bought it. But this is a bird feeder video, a bird feeder pole I bought off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description if y'all want to go check it out. Buy you a couple of them, helps the channel out. But this is not paid. I did not receive this for free. I bought this. And I put it together, most of it last night. I'm gonna clean a spot out in the leaves and put it up. It's gonna be close to the house where I can come sit out on the front porch and drink me a Diet Mountain Dew and watch birds. All right, we can get started. Most of this I'll put on the time lapse for you. All right, I'll show you it as we go. You got your pushing the dirt stand. We're gonna see how that works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That push is easy. Then you got hold some dishes, 2 bird feeders. It's got extra hangers. I didn't like the way they were on there, so we might put them on towards hummingbird time. Got these little handy dandy wing nuts. You just slide it down on there and tighten them up. I might would come back with a pair of pliers and do them, but like it is, seems pretty good. Got a tray where you put a soot cake. Got a water tray. Fits right in there. I hope it'll hold the wind up. My birds get nothing but the best of Ozarka bottled water. If you're not giving your birds Ozarka bottled water, what are you doing in life? It came with 2 cheesy bird feeders. I'm gonna hang them up, but I'll probably hang better ones up. See how these work though. I mean, it kind of got destroyed in shipping. But when it got here, UPS just threw it out on the side of the highway. Thank you, UPS, and the box is open. And there's a couple more things in there worth a little more money than this. Just laying on the side of the highway. If you're ever driving down 259 between Dangerfield and Rocky Branch, and you see some Amazon out there, just stop and get you what you need. Thanks, UPS. I'm not bitching, not venting. Yeah, I am. UPS sucks. We got the first one hung up. It's cheesy as hell. I'm finna go get some more bird seed and fill the other one up that's all beat up. Get it hung up. I like the water tray. I like the soot cake holder. And we're gonna see how long it'll stand up to this East Texas wind, because we know we're finna have some. Alright, we'll try to get that other one done here in just a second. We'll wrap the video. Like I say, the link to the product will be in the description. It's Amazon. Everything I buy is Amazon. I hate going and shopping. Amazon rules, just saying. Alright, we got it all hung up, set up. Be kind of interested to see if it stays set up in the wind. If not, I'll probably have to find some bricks and set on top of them prongs, which is not a big deal. That feeder was a little beat up, but I mean, I think I paid $23 for it after the coupon I had for it. Yeah, I'm a big couponer guy. But if y'all like it, I really dig them 2 trays. I'm saying my bears get nothing but the best, those Arca water. And I know the wind's a little rough. It's killing me too. Kind of chilly out here, but we got it hung up. That's kind of why I hung it up too. We're supposed to be getting some cold weather. Keep the bears happy and fat. How would y'all feel if I did get a bunch of them, if I just set my phone up here and did a couple of hour live of just watching the birds? I enjoy that on people's channels. I'm a weirdo, I know. But y'all let me know what y'all think. We may do that if we start getting a bunch of them coming to it. Alright, if you made it this far in the video, like, share, subscribe. How y'all like this new camera view? This tripod is just a Joby. It is kind of heavy, but damn, it's sturdy and I like that. Way better than the last one I had.